Vechain at the time of this recording is attempting another bounce back to the upside after an aggressive sell off yesterday after the FOMC meeting in a move that gave us a low below the 0.04155. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and on today's update video I will be discussing my breakout scenarios basing my analysis on the Elliot structures, so make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 15-minute chart by first giving you an Elliot structure that is playing out from the lows we made yesterday, where we have seen a very nice bounce to the upside and we have now picked impulsively in the formation of this wave 1. Then we saw a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, and I will be showing you that this second wave has done the minimums, and I believe that whatever is playing out at the moment is the start of an impulse in the formation of this wave 3. Then we can expect a wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that Elliott wave count 5. And using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the second wave to the high, that is the high of the low of that first wave to the high of this wave 1, you can see that we saw a retracement over here in the formation of this wave 2 into the golden pocket between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, an area that we fully maximized, and it's now giving us a reaction to the upside in what I now believe is the start of an impulse in the formation of this wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the, that is the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and on so doing I get a minimum target area for this wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.04873. Then I will expect a pullback in the formation of this Elliott wave count 4 and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of this Elliott wave count 5. So on the short term I'm expecting higher prices, having the 0.04872 as my next target area for the next coming hours, before we can see a pullback in the formation of this wave 4 and then continue pushing higher in the formation of that Elliott wave count 5. And the moment we get this 5-wave structure to the upside, then that will be enough confirmation that an even more bullish case scenario is playing out here on the Vechain chart. And to give you a better context of that more bullish case scenario, I will be using the 4-hour chart. So here on the 4-hour chart, if I zoom out, allow me to start by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows we made on the 4th of November, where we started a very impulsive bounce to the upside, and we first picked impulsively in a 5-wave structure in a move that picked above the 0.08, completing the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1. And having picked in the formation of that first wave, I was expecting a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the charts using this red target area, and this is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have a low in place in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 2, and in the next coming hours or maybe days we are going to continue pushing even higher in the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. And on so doing, we get a minimum target area for this wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.13684, an area that we can easily maximize in the next coming days. And I have said to you that we need to see that initial 5-wave structure on the lower time frames to confirm that we have a low in place that is on the lows we made yesterday, and a more bullish case scenario is playing out to the upper side here on the charts. And because the formation of this wave 3 is an impulse, I'm also expecting to see another 5-wave structure also playing out within the formation of this wave 3, where at the time of this recording we have now been able to identify the formation of this wave 1, seen a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, and there is a very high chance that we are going to get another impulse in the formation of this wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension once again from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and we get a minimum target area for that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.07. So that is another target area that we need to pay attention to for the next coming hours, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.